What if I told you that you can use Claude's most powerful models, including Opus, without paying for a Pro or Max subscription, and the Claude Code as well? In this video, I will show you exactly how to set it up and use these powerful models for free. And you don't need any complicated setup. All you need is a GitHub account, the free Claude Code desktop app from Claude.ai, and about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. I will walk you through the complete process step by step, including how the router works, how it connects you to different AI models, and how you can start using them yourself. So let's get started. First of all, we will open the agentrouter.org. Then you will land on this site. Here you will see their landing page. You will go to the sign up, and you need to sign up through the GitHub account or Linux. So we will go for the GitHub account, continue with GitHub, and you will be landed on the Agent Router dashboard. Agent Router console token, right? Here I have already created a test token. You can create a new token from here using create token, and you can provide the name as test Claude. You should set it as never expires, quantity 1, quota settings, unlimited quota, and submit. And your API key will be ready. Test Claude, right? And when you will go to the dashboard, here you will see, here you can see a system notice. They are saying that when you will send a referral bonus, referral, then with the referral, you will get a bonus as $50. You can close it from here. Then you will sign up through the GitHub. You will get around $125 in credit. And from here, if you go to the usage log, I think here inside the wallet, you can see here, you will get an invitation link as well. For each friend you invite to register, you get a $100 as well, and your friend gets a $50 reward as well. Then you will join through my invitation link, then you will get the $50 as well. So that $50 will be extra, right? And they will be added to your current balance. We will go to the Claude desktop app. You can download the Claude desktop app from the Claude site, Claude.ai. You will go to the Claude, and from here you will download the desktop app, right? I have already downloaded, so I will open the Claude desktop app, and we will configure the agent router inside that. So here I have opened the Claude desktop app. I will go with the continue with Google. You will select the Google account, continue, open Claude. We will close the tab from here, and we will go to the Claude desktop app. And here you can see we have successfully logged in to the Claude desktop app. And here is the main thing. When you will try to go to the code, Claude Code, here they are asking for a Pro or Max account. When you will try to click the Get Claude Code, you will be redirected to the upgrade page, and you need to get Pro plan and get Max plan. But we will go inside the menu. Here we will go for the help, troubleshoots. We will enable the developer mode, right? We will select the enable, and it will restart our Claude Code application, right? After restarting, when you will go the menu again, you will find the developer option as well. Inside the developer, we will go to the configure third-party interference, and inside this, you will configure the agent router inside this. So what we will do here inside the connection, we have the gateway. Inside the credential kind, we will write it as select it as static API key for the gateway. This URL, we will go to the agent router. Inside the dashboard, you will get the base URL from here. When you will click this base URL, it will be copied, and you will paste it inside the gateway base URL. And inside the gateway API key, you will go to the API tokens, and we will paste the newly created test cloud token. We will copy it from here, the API key. inside gateway API key, we will paste it here, and the gateway auth schema, we will select it as barrier, and we will keep it as it. We are not going to touch this, and inside the models, we will only select the test model discovery. When you will select the test model discovery, here you will find two models, Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5. We will apply changes, save and restart. It will relaunch the Claude desktop application. When the Claude desktop will be relaunched, you will get the Claude code access as well. And inside the Claude code, you will get the models Claude Opus 4.8 and Claude Opus 5. And that was the simple and easy setup. And here is my usage that I have already did. In your case, it will be 0, 0, right? And if you test it, then it will be definitely work. And when you refer more friends, then you and your friends will get free credits, and that balance can be used inside the cloud. So that's it. You can try your own, and in case you get any error, then you can comment down below this video. Currently, Agent Router is giving $100 in free, and you can get the access to the Claude code. Now, if you want to create a app using the Claude code in free, then first of all, we will search for a design. For the design, we will open Pinterest, or you can use Dribble or any other web design this site as well. From here, we will search for a design. So we will create it using Claude Code. Here I will search for e-commerce store design. From here, you can pick a random design and save that image inside your machine. For example, I have copied our design from the Pinterest. Here you can see that is, if we try to create this design using the Claude Code, let me go to the chat GPT. Here I have signed in using the Gmail account, and here you have to provide the design image, and along with this design image we will provide 5 to 10 lines of text to generate a prompt using ChatGPT. So let me paste it here. So you will get all the prompts, all the texts and images, each and everything, that all the links we have used inside this video. You will get all those things inside the description. So basically, we are asking the ChatGPT, hey, ChatGPT, analyze the website reference image I uploaded and create highly detailed copy paste ready prompt for Claude. My goal is to build a professional, fully responsive, client ready website. Here we will edit these lines, like here we can write it as, we can remove these things as well. No need for this. Do not give me suggestions or multiple options. Give me only the final Claude website building prompt. Okay, we will click this enter button, and here is our ready to copy paste prompt, right? And you can see all the things. So it's better to read all the prompt first, but what we will do for now, let me complete it. Let the ChatGPT complete this prompt. Currently it's generating, and he finished the prompt generation. So what we will do, we will copy this prompt from here. You can copy this prompt, and we will open the Claude Code, and inside the Claude Code, what we will do, first we will provide the image, and along this image we will provide the prompt, right? We have added the image, design image, and we will paste the prompt as well. Make sure he pasted all the prompt. The final result should feel okay. Here, if we go to very end, the final result should feel like a premium fashion. The final result should feel like a premium fashion. Okay, we copied the whole prompt. So what we will do, we will press enter, and currently we are using Claude Opus 4.8, and the effort is set to high. You can use Opus 5 as well, but we will go for 4.8. Let me enter starting session and it will take some time. It will take some time. Maybe it will take a couple of minutes as well. Allow Claude to run check node variants, network and image CDN reachability. I will select allow once. You can set it as always allow. And here you can see it has successfully created our e-commerce store. And during the creation, it will ask for setting things up. And here you can see, yeah, with only providing the prompt and the design image, it has created the whole working e-commerce store for us, right? And he has completed all the setup. And here they have already run the command npm run dev, and we can open the local host from here. If we check the site from here, our site has been live on localhost 3000 using Claude. And here you can see each and everything is very impressive and outstanding. And I hope all the design will work fine. Here you can see perfect. If we check with full screen, here you can see. And don't worry, we can adjust the height and each and everything as well. But if you check the overall result, it's very impressive. Like you can see, obviously we can change the images as well. New variables, woman, man, accessories, and about section, I think. And here is the features section. Each and everything is very precisely created. And you can see it's very outstanding and it's very close to our provided prompt and the design. We can add the image to wish list. We can also add the image, add the product to cart as well. Here you can see perfect. Quick add. We have added 3 items for this product. Each and everything is animated and outstanding. And you can see that in just a couple of minutes, Claude has created this outstanding design based on the image and prompt we provided. It looked like a modern e-commerce store. If this video get 500 plus likes, I will take this one step further and turn this into a complete full stack e-commerce app in the next video. So you can check each and everything is working fine for the front end and it's looking very modern and outstanding. So what you expect in free, we have successfully created a whole e-commerce store in free using Claude Code and in a single prompt and the image. And remember, all the prompts, links, and resources we used in this tutorial are available in the video description. And here you can see the mobile responsive variant for this site. It's working and a very outstanding design. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.